Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound as usual.
If you're watching.
Okay, the sound is good. Good morning, Jackie. Nice to see you here. I am doing very well. How about you? I haven't heard from you in a long time. Where are you these days? Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Joey. Oh, Jackie says, I'm back in Washington, but I was in Utah for 6 months or so. That's nice. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Leslie. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. The other day, we talked about the fact that most of the time we tend to simply not pay attention to our surroundings unless some kind of a problem comes up. And we agreed that paying kind attention requires an intention and a certain amount of effort. But really, this effort doesn't have to be hard. Practicing kindness does not require us to add extra items to our daily to-do list. It's simply a matter of learning to be where we are at any given moment with an open heart. When we're truly present, The occasions for expressing care and compassion emerge spontaneously. And rather than adding more stress to our lives, they have a way of calming us and everyone around us. We have countless opportunities every day to practice random acts of kindness that express our common humanity. Holding the door open for someone entering a building right behind us, giving up our seat on a bus to a mother with a small child, making friendly eye contact with the receptionist at a doctor's office. A simple smile exchanged with the driver in the lane next to ours can make sitting in rush hour traffic less dreadful. Stopping to help someone in need to cross the street instead of racing to our next destination is a way to acknowledge that at times we are all vulnerable. Such small and seemingly insignificant offerings can make a huge difference in people's lives, including our own. Scientific studies have shown that acts of kindness and generosity are linked to greater life satisfaction and stronger relationships, as well as to better physical and mental health. When you are kind to others, you just feel good as a person, more moral, optimistic, more positive. And these acts of kindness don't need to be grandiose or complicated. Moreover, if you are ever at a loss about what act of kindness, generosity, or charity to carry out, you need to look no further than your home, your workplace, your immediate community. Sharon Salzberg says, growing up, we are not taught that it's socially acceptable to disclose emotional information to others. And yet it seems that we reach out to those we don't know with kindness when we're able to see their vulnerability. So don't be afraid to show yours. I find that this helps catalyze compassion in others, which can be a helpful reminder of our shared humanity, no matter how isolated and infrequent that may be. So today, let's do a full loving kindness practice again, with all that in mind. As usual, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and natural. There is no need to make your breath anything that it's not, deeper, longer, bigger. Just notice how your body breathing itself. And see if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breath, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And start by sending loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, You can either stay with this step, sending loving kindness to yourself, or if you are ready to expand your energy to include other people, bring to mind somebody you love dearly, a friend, a family member, somebody who it is easy for you to send loving kindness to. Remember, just like you, this person wants to be happy, healthy, and feel at ease. Just like you, they deserve love. So start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a benefactor, somebody who is a positive influence in your life. Again, remind yourself that just like you, this person wants to be happy, healthy, and feel at ease. Just like you, they deserve love. And start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind the neutral person, somebody you may see every day, but they don't really affect your life in any way. Remember, just like you, this neutral person is real. They want to be happy, healthy, and feel at ease. Just like you, they deserve love. Start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now think of a challenging person in your life. See if you can extend loving kindness to them. Once again, reminding yourself that whatever your relationship with this person is, they too deserve to be happy, healthy, and at ease. Just like you. They are worthy of love just because they exist. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And finally, include all living beings in your loving kindness. All the humans, all the non-humans. And remember, not just the ones that appeal to you, everyone. Remember, just like you, all living beings share the wish to be happy, and feel at ease. Just like you, all beings deserve love, just because they exist. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well, in body and mind. May all beings feel safe, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body. What's going on for you right now? Physically, emotionally, mentally? How are you, really? Today, I invite you to set an intention to be kind to those around you. And remember, it doesn't need to be hard effort. Any tiny act of kindness goes a long way. Maybe simply smile at somebody you don't know and witness how that shifts their mood and your own. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.